everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to make a recipe to celebrate Easter. So I've seen this all over Pinterest. They're little bird's nests with eggs in them made out of chow mein noodles. They're super cute. So if you like holiday recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So to make these bird's nests, you only need a few ingredients. I've already melted some peanut butter and white chocolate together. And then over here, I have some chow mein noodles. You'll find this in the international aisle. And all I'm gonna do is just pour my peanut butter and white chocolate mixture over this and give it a good mix. All right, so that looks good. You want to work fast because it does get settled pretty fast. And so now I have some gloves on. I'm just going to spray a little bit of non-stick spray on it just so this doesn't stick. And I just use my hands, get a little mound like this, and create a little hole in the middle that you're going to fill with any type of egg that you want. I have jelly beans here that I'm gonna fill it with later. And then you just set it down and let it set in the fridge for an hour or so. And really that is all. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this. All right, so my bird's nests have been in the fridge for about an hour and they look nice and settled. I did put them in these little cups. If you have a mini muffin cupcake liner or a tin, then that should work as well. This just makes it easier to kind of just take out once it has cooled down. So there you go. And then what you do is just put a couple of these eggs and they look like little bird's nests. How cute. All right, time to taste. I'm gonna take out the jelly beans. I already know what that tastes like. Wow. Nice and chewy and crunchy, a little salty because I use salted peanut butter. And then you got sweetness from the white chocolate, so really, really good. All right, so if you like holiday recipes, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Recipes that celebrate the holidays. Your face. If you like slow cooker recipes,